In this video, you're going to learn how to create a landing page from scratch using the Clickfunnels blank landing page templates, which will help you attract high quality leads so you can build your business online. Hi, I'm Sanat. Welcome to my channel. I create videos on the best ways to make money online. I talk about residual income, passive income, and the best online strategies, tools, and systems you need to build a successful online business, even if you have zero previous experience and no technical skills. So if you want to learn how to make money online, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell for my latest content. For transparency, this video or the description below may contain affiliate links. Should you decide to click on them and make a purchase, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps me create more such videos and helps me support this channel. I thank you and appreciate your support. Let's now dive in. The purpose of a landing page is to encourage your prospects to take the next action that you want them to take in your online sales funnel. For example, you may want them to opt into your free lead magnet so that you can generate leads and convert those leads into new customers, sales, and sign-ups. After having tried several online tools, some cheap ones, some free ones, and some really expensive ones, I have found Clickfunnels to be the best software because it is easy to use, particularly for beginners. And it helps you create smart landing pages which help you generate high quality leads. And that's exactly why I use it for my business also. Best part with Clickfunnels is that it gives you a free first 14 days trial offer, which is exactly how I started with Clickfunnels also. So I took full advantage of the first 14 days free trial period, during which time I learned how to use Clickfunnels, its different features, including how to create landing pages, so that at the end of the 14 days, I had a good idea about how Clickfunnels works. I liked it and I was ready to build my business online. So if that sounds like of some interest to you also, and you may want to check out the first free 14 days trial offer, then please click the link in the video description below. And at the end of the 14 days, for whatever the reason you don't like Clickfunnels, then you can just easily cancel it without any obligations or having to pay anything. So I'm now going to jump inside Clickfunnels and show you how to create a landing page. Alright, so we're inside Clickfunnels now. To start creating a landing page from scratch, the first step is to come to the top right here and click on Create Funnel. So I'm just going to click on that. And there's all these different options that come up to create different types of landing pages and funnels. I'm just going to ignore those. I'm just going to choose the one on the top left here for the sake of our video training today. So click on Select. And it comes up with this black screen here. Basically, there's on the right side here, there's 3 videos which you can watch. They show you, in fact, these are really good trainings, particularly if you're new to Clickfunnels or you're just new to creating landing pages and online sales funnels. Really good training on how to create landing pages and sales funnels inside of Clickfunnels. In fact, that's exactly how I've taught myself how to use Clickfunnels as well. So really easy to follow trainings here for you. So to start creating the landing page from scratch, you come down here and click on where it says start from scratch. Then you just choose a name to it. So let's just say I choose testing funnel because we're just testing. Then click on create funnel. And then the next thing is it's going to open up this page over here where you see the plus sign. This is just a workflow where you have the opportunity now to choose a blank template. So I'm just going to click on this plus sign. Then click on page where it says create a new page, which is referring to a just a blank page. So when it opens up here, just click on ignore all these templates here because these are the pre-existing templates that you can choose. So I'm just going to go over here where it says new page. Over here, just give your page a name, say testing template, whatever you want to call it for your business. I'm just going to choose a testing template name, and then I'm going to create the page. So it comes up with this window. Over here, you just click on edit, because what Clickfunnels is now doing is it's going to open up the Clickfunnels editor so you can make any changes and start creating or not changes, sorry, you can start creating the landing page from scratch and and build it from there. So it comes up with this section over here. So to start, you just click on this field here where it says add new section, and then click on blank section. Or you can actually choose right at the top. You obviously want to have perhaps a navigation bar, so you just come in here, search for navigation bar. It's going to come up with all these different options you can choose from. Let's say I'm happy with this one here on the right side, so I click on that. It immediately inserts the navigation bar. So if you wanted to make any changes to it, you just go over the item. As you can see, it highlights it, and you can just change them. You can insert your logo here as well. So if I just click on this section here, it's going to open up this button, this section on the side. You click on where it's got the image icon, just click on that, and it opens up this library where I've got everything saved here. By the way, you can save everything in this library in Clickfunnels directly from your laptop. So to find my logo, I'm just gonna go to the next page, and here it is, my logo. I'm just gonna click on that, and here it is. The editor has straight away inserted my logo. So if you wanted to adjust the size of it, you just come down here where it says image width. You can just increase, or you can just increase or decrease the size of it, as you can see here. All right, so that's the navigation section. If you wanted to start building it further, you click on where it says add section. It opens up this big window. You click on you can choose really any of these here or the ones on the left side, but let's say for the sake of our training, I'm going to click on blank section. Gives me the opportunity to choose as many columns I want. I'm just going to choose, say, 2 columns, and straight away it drops them in here. So let's say I wanted to have I wanted to put a picture here. So I'm going to choose I'm going to click on add new element, and then I'm going to click on image. So the reason why I've chosen image is because let's say if I was creating this landing page to give away my lead magnet, obviously I would have already pre-saved an image of it. And if I click on settings, and then I click on this image icon again, it launches open the library. And let's say if I wanted to insert my ebook or my lead magnets picture, which is one of these, I click on that. Immediately it drops it in there. Again, if you wanted to adjust the size of this, just open up this window on the side and just adjust it down, or you could increase or decrease as you like it. So let's say if I wanted to now have a bit of text here as well, so I just click on new add new element, and let's say if I click on headline, and I also wanted to have, say, a headline below that, and let's say I also want to have a button directly below that so people can click on that. So if you wanted to, as you can see, as I hover over any of these elements, the editor automatically highlights them, which means I can basically just make any changes that I want to make here. So let's say if I wanted to change that, I'm just going to type over it. So there you go. I can change that. If I wanted to change the size of the font or the type of font, you just go here where it says where it's got the settings button, and that'll let you make all those changes. Same sort of thing. If you want to change the subheadline, you can do that too. There's a button here, but if you wanted to use the landing page, let's say for example, to give your prospects the opportunity to type in the name and email so they can get access to your free lead magnet here. So what you do there is you just click on add element, you come here and it opens up this window again. Click on input, it opens up this item here, and click again. And what you then do is click on this email where it says email, just click on settings. And let's say you wanted that field to be your prospect's full name or first name or last name or whatever you want it to be. Let's say I'm going to choose first name. So immediately it now says first name, so an email address. All right, so if you wanted to change this button as well, you can click here and you can type anything you want to type in here, and whatever you put in there is going to show that immediately in this button field as well. So once you've done, if you're happy with all this, then you come down here and you type and you click on where it says add section. So now you can choose, let's say if I wanted to insert a footer at the bottom. So let's say I'm just going to click on footer. It's going to come up with all these different templates. Let's say if I'm happy with one of these here, so it's just coming up. Let's say if I'm happy with this one here, so I'm just going to click on this. So it's going to immediately insert that at the bottom. As you can see, it's got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So if you just hover over it, where it's got this button here, you can insert the link to your Facebook or to your Twitter or to Instagram, and you can add YouTube or anything else that you want to add down here as well. So if you were, let's say if you were happy with this landing page, this is what it currently looks like on a desktop or a laptop, because that's where I'm working on. But if you wanted to see how this looks like on a mobile as well, then you just come here towards the top left or top right and click on this icon. It's not going to show you what the landing page looks like on someone's mobile. So if you were not happy with this, you can again click over here or any of these items and make changes to it. And once you're happy with all that, then you just click on save. So it's going to immediately save that. And now what you can do is to check out what it looks like on a live page. You come to the top right here and click on this icon. It's going to open up this page here, and just click on where it says go to live page on the top right. So this is what the page looks like in real to your prospect. All right, as you can see, it looks quite professional. And again, this is quite a simple basic one because I have not added too many elements to it, but you can really make it look like however you want it to look like for your business. So I'm just going to show you one more thing here inside of ClickFunnels. If you just click on help, ClickFunnels opens up this window here. So it's got all sorts of training and support available here, especially when you're starting out new with ClickFunnels. If you click over here where it's got guided tools and windows, it's got all these training videos, which I have watched myself and I found them to be quite useful. If you had a question that you weren't quite sure, or a feature you wanted to use inside of ClickFunnels and you're not quite sure, just type that in here, and you can ClickFunnels will show you how to. It'll give you the information. So let's say if I want to put in page and I hit enter, so the ClickFunnels will automatically give you the landing page, how to create landing page instructions here. So this is quite easy to follow. And if you are still not quite sure, if you still have technical questions, you can always start a chat here and talk to one of their staff, or you can always send them an email here at support@clickfunnels.com. I've used all these services many times, and I've found ClickFunnels support to be really efficient, and they come back to you quite quickly. So that's how you create a landing page from scratch in ClickFunnels. And again, to take advantage of the free first 14 days trial offer with ClickFunnels, click the link in the video description below. Alright, so if you got some good value from this video, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Please comment below if there are any other ClickFunnels features that you would like to learn more about, and I will be more than happy to create videos on those topics for you also. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.